times and she won't respond. What else can I do? Give her one of these stylish massages I made. I don't think so, Bess. Teddy bear topiary?
I still don't think it's a good idea for you to date Ginny Star's daughter.
I want to.
You better get it first.
Well, if you want Kira to go out with you, you need to do something super romantic to show her how you feel.
Hello? Teddy bear topiary?
Go on with me, Kira!
This.
This whole mess is partly my fault. Let me help you plan the perfect date.
We can plan all we want, but there won't be a date if she won't answer any of my texts. Don't worry, man. I'll find a way to get her to like you. I can be very persuasive. Watch. There. Give me $10.
I won't.
See? Persuasive. Okay, so what's our big plan?
Well, let's tackle it like we're writing a song. I mean, you and I make great music together. We should be able to come up with a great date.
That's true.
Tell me what your perfect date would be.
We go to a zombie convention, grab some pancakes, and then play video games in Dez's basement. He's got an awesome TV.
Austin, it's gotta be special. This isn't a guy's night out. Picture this. A picnic under the stars. A romantic movie's playing.
Like Bikini Beach Blood Bash.
I'm thinking even more romantic.
Bikini Beach Blood Bash 2. Babes and Barbados.
More like Voyage de l'Amour. It's a silent movie playing in the park tomorrow.
Silent. Is it at least in 3D?
Austin, be serious. Imagine. Kira's there. Her eyes sparkling in the moonlight. Sparkle, 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 sparkle. A gentle breeze blowing her hair. Breeze, 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 breeze. What can you do to show her how you feel?
Well, I could give her a gift. Ooh, I'll get her a necklace with her name on it, like yours.
Oh, perfect. She'll love that.
Okay, so I'll wait for the most romantic part of the movie.
She'll be all cute and lovey.
I'll lean in, put my arm around her.
She'll nestle up, feeling butterflies.
My heart will be beating out of my chest. It'll be perfect. I know how to get Kira to your date. Fishing net, tranquilizer. Awesome.
Check out what I got for asking out. Well, for starters, I wouldn't help him plan a date for another girl. You need to tell Austin you like him. But he likes Kira. Maybe he wouldn't if he knew how you felt. If I say something and he doesn't feel the same way, everything will be ruined. Our friendship, our partnership, everything. Please promise me you won't say anything.